Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in imo account. So first of all, launch open imo application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here imo application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, what you have to do is enter your phone number. First of all, select the country. Tap on the country that is selected right now. Now you'll be able to see variety of country or region over here. Simply tap on the country or region of your choice. After that, that particular country or region will be selected and the country code will also be selected accordingly. Now what you have to do is simply enter your phone number. Make sure to enter the registered phone number. Now after entering the phone number, tap on the right icon that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Is this number correct? Tap on the option OK. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll directly be logged into your account. So that is how you log in imo account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.